How to hide birthday on Snapchat. Hey there, welcome to Insightful Tutorials. Do you want to hide the birthday icon next to your profile name and stop notifying others about your birthday? If yes, then you are in the right video. Without further ado, let's get started. Open Snapchat on your device. You will land on the camera section. Tap on the red anonymous profile icon. Then tap on the settings icon at the top. You will be directed to the settings page. Over here, you will see the birthday option. Tap on it. Then, you will see the birthday you have set on Snapchat at the top. Just below it, you will find the birthday party feature. As you can see, it is turned on by default. Let's read the text written here about this feature. As mentioned, turning this feature on will add a cake icon next to your name and display a special birthday charm to help friends find and celebrate your birthday. It also states that Snapchatters won't see your age even if this feature is on, because your birth year is hidden and only the date and month are revealed. Additionally, it mentions that any changes to this setting can take up to 24 hours to take effect. That is why you were receiving birthday wishes from your friends on Snapchat. If you want to hide your birthday and stop notifying others about it, then turn off this feature immediately. As mentioned earlier, it can take up to 24 hours to take effect. Once this feature is completely turned off, you are all set. No one will be able to see your birthday and others won't get notified about it. And boom! You have successfully hidden your birthday on Snapchat, ensuring no one gets notified about it. That's it for today's video. If you found this video insightful, please don't forget to hit the like button and make sure to subscribe to our channel for more insightful tutorials.